How to turn on or turn off read caller names twice on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, open up the phone app. Next, tap on the More button at the top corner. Then from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now after that, we scroll down and tap on Answering and Ending Calls. Then tap on Read Caller Names Allowed. Tap on the left-hand side panel. In here, we go down and then tap on Read Caller Names twice. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here I will switch it off. Then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.